Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins back in here. The simulation is back up to where I left off at. Had to work hard to get it back and everything, but dealing with that account and all that stuff, like I said in the other video, was crazy. Um, right now, I got in the trade for GU 39.58. I did a sale. Right now, the market's coming at 39.47. Bought 6 contracts at $25. Best I can get at that present time before it dropped all the way down. Let's take a look at the charts. See where the entry was at. It wasn't that far. The entry was right here. So I had to really try to get in on this chart. But right now our trade is kind of winning. Look like it's gonna be going down for a little bit more. Probably gonna catch it going back up again. But give you guys a moment here. I got 3 minutes left. I'm give you guys a moment to catch up with it. I ain't gonna make the video long, so give me just a moment. All right, guys, we're under a minute. We're under a minute here. I'm due to make 153 on this trade. We should put the count over 1300, and we'll see if we go from there and restate my profits. Remember, this account started at 504, so we'll see how it goes here. Under 10 seconds. Under 10 seconds. Well, we already know how it's going. It's winning, so over 10 pip victory right now. Closing bell. That's it. Futures trading is over. All right, we're gonna let the position settle. Once the position settles, this video will be over. There we go. 1362. All right, guys. Alex Jenkins checking out.